Which country is known for having no crime? A. Japan, B. Iceland, C. Sweden. Correct answer is B. Iceland. Which animal's milk cannot be turned into curd? A. Camel, B. Cow, C. Buffalo. Correct answer is A. Camel. Where is the tomb of Rani Lakshmibai located? A. Jhansi, B. Gwalior, C. Kanpur. Correct answer is B. Gwalior. Which state in India has the most barren land? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan. When did China attack India? A. 1962, B. 1971, C. 1955. Correct answer is A. 1962. Which is the happiest country in the world? A. Finland, B. Canada, C. Norway. Correct answer is A. Finland. When did Vasco da Gama arrive in India? A. 1498, B. 1526, C. 1600. Correct answer is A. 1498. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? A. Jaipur, B. Udaipur, C. Jodhpur. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. Which creature has a brain larger than its body? A. Octopus, B. Chimpanzee, C. Blue whale. Correct answer is A. Octopus. Which country is referred to as Mini India? A. Nepal, B. Fiji, C. Mauritius. Correct answer is C. Mauritius. What is the fastest thing in the world? A. Sound, B. Light, C. Bullet. Correct answer is B. Light. Where in India is there a village named Pakistan? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Rajasthan. In which country was sugar first discovered? A. India, B. China, C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. India. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars. Correct answer is B. Mercury. Which is the largest oil exporting country? A. Russia, B. USA, C. Saudi Arabia. Correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. When did railways begin in India? A. 1853, B. 1901, C. 1837. Correct answer is A. 1853. How many colors are there in the Olympic flag? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7. Correct answer is B. 6. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin C. Correct answer is B. Vitamin D. When was the atomic bomb dropped on Japan? A. 1945, B. 1939, C. 1950. Correct answer is A. 1945. In which country does the sun rise first? A. Japan, B. India, C. China. Correct answer is A. Japan.